What up, people? It's Connor. I'm back, and damn it, our little stunt street is closed. I was fearing that that was going to be the case, and it clearly is today. But thank you for checking out the video. Today, we're just getting out. It's another beautiful, warm day. Gonna practice balance point. Looks like everyone is out today chilling at the park. It is a beautiful day. We got a bounce house over there. I might have to go hop in there. But yeah, we're just gonna go see where we can find a lot today to get some more practice in. All right, back to square one. Since our little spot is closed, we're gonna go back around the other way to get to the parking lot to continue my practice. That's it though. That's where we want to be, right here. We don't want to be in the bushes, that's for sure. Wheelie tunnel, yes. That was kind of cool. So happy to be on the road again. I don't know the words besides on the road again. All right, it is shortcut time. Yes, sir. There's a big divot. Everybody's always so unimpressed. That's a sick-ass little Jeep. Wait, I want to check this out. Is it even a Jeep? Is it a Range Rover? Is it a Bronco? Man, I don't know, but it's fucking sick. That thing's dope. Gonna wheelie to our spot. Man, I'm just gonna speak today only in song lyrics. But change some words for wheelie. Don't hit the bag! It's probably a bag of poop. Look at that little hand back there. It's like, E.T. phone home. I'm acting crazy today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. That'd be pretty cool. We're actually almost to 1,000 subscribers. We're at like 937 or 936 or something right now. So shout out to all 936 or 7 of y'all. But if we could get it up to 1,000, that would be sick. 1,000 would be a big milestone, I feel like. So, and I don't know why you're stopping right here, but yeah, guys. So yesterday, is he gonna do it? He's gonna do it. Is he gonna do it? Okay, good. So yesterday in our last video, it was probably like you guys saw it last week, but this was yesterday for me. We were getting frustrated with our wheelies. So I'm just hoping today we'll have some of that muscle memory come out, be a little bit better today at hitting balance point and staying there. So fingers crossed. My hands are just weak, I guess. I've got no grip strength. Or maybe I need to squeeze my legs on the tank more. That way I don't have to hold on so tight. Yeah, there we go. That makes it a little better. The plan is now I'm gonna go hit up another wheelie spot. It's kind of like a street next to the train. You guys have seen it in my previous videos if you watch the channel. My phone is definitely gonna die, but it's like 20 minutes away. So we're gonna ride over there, see if anyone's out practicing wheelies, but there's also that fun little off-road spot where I'll probably hit up as well. The police stationed here today. Smile and wave, boys. Just smile and wave. What are the chances we roll up on another cop? I love how people just ride them around, don't give a shit. Just completely illegally. Okay, so this lot actually wasn't the end goal, but we can pop in. This is a nice little practice slot. Been here a few times before as well. Balance point, please. Oh, yeah. That feels good. Oh yeah. Keep it straight. Get back. All right, let's see if anyone's here today. Connor's riding by himself again. This is me rubbing my eyes from crying. Sorry, Frank, I think we need a bit of a A vibe change. That's balance point for sure. Right there. It's so far back, honestly. Oh, nice and slow. Yes, sir. Give myself a pat on the back for that one. I liked it. I hope you guys did too. Yup. 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 Yo, is that a little MG? Sorry? 72? Did you restore it or has it just been running? Dude, that's cool, and the gas is right back there. That thing's sweet, man. I thought it was an MG at first. Cool, man. I appreciate it. Have a good one. Alright, so here's this little off-road spot here. To be clear, there are no trespassing signs. See any? No, I see none. Oh, oh, Range Rover. I don't know what that guy's doing. It's so easy to kick out this rear wheel now, since there's no tread. Looks like that's open right now, but I'm not gonna go in there. I don't think I'm gonna go any further today. Let's give it another go. Nice, clean, close donuts. Haha, I love that. That's so fun. I want to be able to drift like Siki. Shout out Siki. Der Typ kann wirklich einen guten Drift machen. Sorry for the shitty accent, but... Next step is to do them with both of my feet up. Okay guys, back into this little parking lot. This is good to practice, you know? Try a couple first gears, let's see how they feel. Where's that pole? I was worried about you. You stay there, okay? First gear is literally harder for me than second. It's funny. Man, you two guys really want to meet. Pole, this is bike, bike, this is pole. Please, we don't need to meet like in any other circumstances. That's enough. No touching, you two. All right, first gear again. That felt pretty good, actually. I actually like that. I'm gonna keep trying to get good at first gear so we can do some nice slow ones. Let's rip another first gear, boy. There we go.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh my god. I am never shifting in a fucking wheelie again. Holy shit! Oh, that was scary. That was quite scary, my friend. I'm sorry. I bow down to you. I bow down. Woo! Oh, no way. Did my chain fall off? No shit. No fucking shit. Well, that ain't good, fellas. Okay, guys, I do think I found an issue on the bike. Oh, there's the bearings. That looks normal. My god, bro. Well, guys, this is fucked, but I'm unable to get this chain back on. And you can literally see the bearings. They want to come out of here, so I don't even think I'd want to ride this home. So my phone only has 10% battery, so I think I'm going to Uber home, get my truck, come back with a toolbox, try and get the chain on, try and load it into the truck and bring it home. This is the first time the CRF has left me stranded. Goddamn, I am stranded. I hope the front sprocket is okay, honestly. But this is just all the reason to go ahead and get some Supermoto wheels, right? If you need new bearings, why don't you just get new wheels altogether? New freaking Supermoto wheels, Warp 9s, right? Uber's on the way. Chain is obviously off, dude. Look at that. Look at that. That is so bad. Look, those bearings literally exploded. Life is good, man. At least we didn't get hurt. Whatever. All right, guys, and just like that, we are on the way back to get the bike. Hopefully it's not stolen when we get there. I honestly did get lucky though, because this truck has been in the shop like for 2 or 3 weeks, and I just got it back literally yesterday at the last minute. So I honestly don't know what I would have done if I didn't have this truck. So God's looking over me here clearly, because for all the times that those bearings could have exploded, all the times that could have happened, the fact that it happened just now, literally the day after I get my truck back, is like a huge thing. So thankful for that. We're gonna go pick it up. Hopefully it's still there when we get there though. All right, let's think of a spot. I think right here is where we're gonna try to do it, because we're gonna have to push this on. Well, guys, thankfully we made it back all right with the bike and the truck. Did not expect this at all today, I have to say that for certain. But I'm just glad we made it home okay. Obviously, what happened is basically the bearings exploded when I popped that wheelie into second gear. You can't really see it right now, but they exploded. Chain popped off, couldn't get it back on, and once I saw the bearings were exploded, I knew I wasn't gonna drive it home. But this is the perfect motivation to just order some Sumo wheels. So hopefully it doesn't take too long for them to come in, but I'm probably gonna go order them right now. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you next time, hopefully with some Sumos. Peace.
Dior, Gucci, Roy, Tusi. She's a movie but means nothing to me.